Alright, we just saw FSD perform amazingly with an ambulance, but now let's look at where it completely falls apart. Welcome to the reality of European driving. We're driving down this road and up ahead a maintenance truck is blocking our entire lane while mowing the grass. Now, any human driver knows exactly what to do here. There is a massive, clear Dutch road sign on the back of that truck, the blue and white arrow, explicitly telling us you are required to pass on the left. But what does FSD do? It just panics, slows down and comes to a complete halt right behind it. The road ahead is completely clear, the sign gives us full permission to merge into the other lane and bypass it, but FSD just sits there blankly. It completely fails to understand the context of temporary roadworks and Dutch traffic signs. I waited, but the car wasn't going to make the move, so I had to intervene, take the wheel and pass the truck myself. Times like this show that while FSD is getting incredibly smart, it still has a long way to go when it comes to regional European road maintenance rules. What do you think? Should FSD have caught this sign? Let me know.